Slowly roll down on your back, making sure that your back is flat on the mat. Bend one leg towards your body and stretch it out with your toes pointing upwards. Make small circular movements with your foot, making sure that your leg is fully stretched out. After doing it 10 times, do it the other direction for another 10 counts. Slowly bend your leg back and put it down on the mat. Do the same for the other leg. Make sure that you observe proper breathing patterns, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Come to a tabletop position. Lift your head and shoulders off the mat and hug your legs towards your body. Stretch your arms and legs, then come back to the hugging position. Do this for 10 counts. Make sure that you exhale when you stretch out, pushing your belly button to your spine. And inhale when you hug your legs. Come to a tabletop position. Lift your head, neck, and shoulders off the mat. Your arms should be stretched out at the sides. Extend your legs and start pumping your arms up and down in a quick and controlled manner. Watch your breath and make sure your shoulders and neck are relaxed. Do this for 10 counts. Now lower your legs and do the same. Make sure only your core is doing all the work.
Bend your legs towards your body and raise your feet up. Then, push your hips until your toes and the balls of your feet touch the floor above your head. You can use your hands to support your back and give you that extra push. Then reach above your head and hold on to your left ankle. Slowly lift your right leg, making sure that your toes are pointing to the sky. Lower your leg and then switch. If you can't extend that far, you can simply lift your leg until it's fully stretched out. Do this for 10 counts. When you're done, slowly roll your back down on the mat. For this next exercise, lie down on your side. Place your hand on your head while your other hand is in front of you for support. Lift your leg up to your hips and then bring your leg straight to the front. Bend your knee, then shift your leg to the back, then lengthen the leg out. Do this for 10 counts. Don't forget to do this exercise to your other leg. Start off with a sitting position. Bend your knees close to your body and your feet close to your buttocks. Hold on to your legs and tuck in your head. Lift your feet off the mat, balancing only on your butt like so. And then roll down and quickly come back up. Make sure that you maintain your balance. Do this exercise for 10 reps.